Hey mechanics, welcome back to Olsa Tools Grease and Gears. Today we're talking about one of the most underrated tools in your arsenal, your kneeling pad. And not just any kneeling pad, we're diving into the Olsa Tools Kneeling Work Mat. Trust me, your knees will thank you for this one. If you're constantly on your knees working on cars, trucks, or bikes, you know the pain, literally. This Olsa Tools Kneeling Work Mat is a total game changer. First up, protection. This kneeling pad is built to absorb impact and relieve knee pressure. Whether you're on concrete, asphalt, or gravel, this 1.5-inch thick mat keeps you comfortable so you can focus on the job. And get this, it's lightweight and portable. The built-in handle makes it easy to carry around the shop or job site. Toss it in your toolbox, truck, or even keep one at home. It's compact, but it gets the job done. Unlike those cheap mats that flatten out after a few uses, this one is built to last. The high-density foam keeps its shape over time, and it won't soak up water, making it perfect for any conditions, indoors or outdoors. You can literally drop to your knees from standing, and it won't hurt. Try doing that without one, you'll feel the difference. So if you're serious about comfort and protecting your knees, you need this in your toolkit. The Olsa Tools Kneeling Work Mat, because working hard shouldn't mean hurting. Your knees deserve the best. Give them the Olsa treatment. Thanks for watching another episode of Olsa Tools Grease and Gears. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it with your weak knees buddy. Keep it cool and greasy.